Hello my baking beauties, and today I'm going to show you how to make the most requested macaroon template. First, start by opening your search engine and typing in the shape or character you want to make into a macaroon, followed by the word clip art or template. Then you want to click the images section and choose the photo you want to use as your shape. Take this photo and drag it from your internet browser and save it to a folder on your desktop. Then you want to open your Photoshop and go to your desktop folder and open that shape you saved. Then you want to use the magic eraser to eliminate the background and make it transparent, which is also known as a PNG. You're then going to open a blank file in the measurements of 11 inches by 8.5 inches, which is the size of your printing paper, and drag that new photo and resize it onto the new blank file. Once you make it the size of your choice, you're going to duplicate it and repaste it as many times as it fits. How we doing? Are you guys still with me here? You can also use good old YouTube University to teach yourself how to use Photoshop. That's how I learned, guys. And that's how you guys can learn too. Just takes a little bit of practice and patience. We're almost there, guys, I promise. Now you're gonna print these little suckers out on your printer. Now, using some hand scissors, we're going to individually cut out these shapes without putting yourself into the hospital, so we can kind of spread them out onto our half sheet pan. Then you're going to take each shape and place them onto your half sheet pan and cover them with a transparent non-stick silicone baking mat. And now we're cooking with gas. You did it. You're good to go. Pipe your macaroons, tracing the shapes, and bake as usual. And give yourself a good old-fashioned pat on the back, because you did it. Love you guys so much. You're all kings and queens in my book, and I'm excited to see what shapes you guys come up with.